Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be telling you guys how much I made my first year as a freelance web developer. Now this is personally my story. If you guys have a different story, let me know in the comments below. I definitely love to see how freelancers are progressing, what moves they're making, and what moves I can implement into my strategy moving forward. Now before we get into this video, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. The point of this channel is to teach as many people as I can that they don't have to do work that they hate. They don't have to follow the social norm, going to school, getting a job, working all your life, and then retiring when you're old. They can find a way to turn a business into whatever they're passionate about, whatever it is. I want to teach as many people as I can that they can do what they love and not feel like they have to compromise. Okay guys, before I start this off, I want to tell you guys that this is personally my story. I definitely wasn't the smartest way of doing it, but it was how I did it, how I learned to do it, I guess. And then I'm gonna tell you guys how I changed moving forward. So to start it off, I was basically inspired by an Instagram post. The Instagram post said, how to make $3,000 per month as a web designer. I was like, wow, that seems so easy. I would love to do that, and it's something I'm passionate about. So what it said was, you basically email all day about all of the types of niches around you. Plumbing, restaurants, gyms, personal trainers, whatever it is, people who may need a website. You take your time for the first week and email all types of niches and let them know that you're willing to work. You find 3 people who are willing to work with you and you charge each of them $1,000 to make a website. Boom, you already have $3,000 in your pocket and you made it all within the first week. Now I tried that. It did not go so well my first week of trying. I mean, it was extremely hard to find somebody who was willing to pay $1,000 for a website for somebody who's never worked with a client before. Like the average person who didn't know anything about freelance web development, I decided to lower my prices. So now I started doing freelance web development work or websites for $500. That way I could beat out the competition with pricing instead of a better marketing plan or maybe more skill or more knowledge on the subject. So I kept emailing clients, kept following up, reached out to as many people as I could. I pointed out 3 reasons why their website could be improved and how it's impacting their business. Then offered to do the website for $500. And boom, I got clients. I got 3 clients my first month of lowering my prices, and I absolutely was ecstatic. I mean, it was $1,500 all profit, unlike my other businesses where, I had costs and media costs and marketing costs and all of that. But anyways, it was $1,500 based on the service that I could provide. I loved this method at the time. I thought it was amazing. I thought it was genius. So I kept doing it throughout the year. Now, some months I would find more than 3 and some months I would find less, but the average throughout the year was about 3. Now, as an 18-year-old at the time, I thought I was making big money. It was new to me. It was my first time making money, at least on my own, not from a job or anything like that. I was basically doing it by myself and finding a way to survive while doing what I love. Sadly, I didn't know too much about entrepreneurship and running a business, so it wasn't sustainable for a long time because I wasn't able to get enough clients. The reason I'm not too big on this method anymore is because very quickly I got burned out. Toward the middle of the year, I was like, okay, I hate this. I hate the beginning of the month where I have to email 100 people just to get three jobs and think by going at masses, that's the way to do it. It wasn't sustainable. It was burning me out. I was tired of doing it. Sadly, I kept doing it because it was the only way I knew. So this year, what I've been trying to do is try social media marketing, building a brand, building a personal brand that will have people come to me looking for work because they see how impactful I've been on my brand and how impactful I can be on theirs. The way I've been going about social media marketing is I've basically been making YouTube videos, posting on LinkedIn and Facebook, and building my own website where each one of you guys can go if you want to work with me. All you have to do is go to the Let's Talk menu, write in a message and say, hey, I saw your YouTube video and I would love to work with you, and boom, I'll reply it in less than 24 hours. But anyways, regardless of the plug, that was basically the method that I used. I was doing cold emailing. I was emailing a lot of businesses near me in specific niches like restaurants, gyms, personal trainers, real estate, plumbing, all of those things where they were small businesses, and offered them to work on their website. Now, a lot of people do cold emailing, a lot of people don't. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys enjoyed the video, please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. I love you guys all, and until next time, peace.